How to install Python. Explained in simple words. What does Python mean? Python is a popular, beginner-friendly programming language used for web development, data analysis, AI, automation, and more. Before you can write Python programs, you need to install Python on your computer. In simple words, Python installation equals setting up Python so you can write and run programs. Why installing Python matters. You need Python to run Python programs. Installing Python gives you access to idle, pip, package manager, and Python libraries. Without Python installed, your computer cannot understand Python code. Step-by-step guide to install Python. 1. Check if Python is already installed. Open your terminal or command prompt and type Python version or Python 3 version. If you see a version number, e.g., Python 3.12.0, Python is installed. If not, you need to install it. 2. Download Python. Go to the official Python website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Choose the latest stable version for your operating system. Windows, Mac, Linux. 3. Install Python on Windows. Run the downloaded installer. Check Add Python to Path. Click Install now. Wait for the installation to complete. Open command prompt and type Python version. Checkmark. You should see the installed Python version. 4. Install Python on Mac. Download the Mac installer from python.org. Open the installer and follow instructions. Verify installation in terminal. Python 3 version. 5. Install Python on Linux. Most Linux systems come with Python pre-installed. To install or update, use your package manager. Sudo apt update. Sudo apt install Python 3. Python 3 version. 6. Optional. Install a code editor or IDE. Use VS Code, PyCharm, or idle to write Python programs. This makes coding easier, faster, and organized. Tips after installation. Checkmark. Always use the latest stable version. Checkmark. Check your path environment variable to run Python from anywhere. Checkmark. Install pip to manage Python libraries. Pip install package_name. Real-life analogy. Installing Python is like installing a kitchen cook. Python equals stove and utensils. Code editor equals cooking counter. Pip libraries equals ingredients. Without the kitchen, Python installed, you cannot cook, run programs. Important point. Python must be properly installed to run programs, use libraries and packages, build projects in web development, AI, or automation. Simple definition. Python installation equals setting up Python on your computer to write, run, and manage Python programs efficiently. Final summary. After installing Python, checkmark. You can write Python programs using idle, VS Code, or PyCharm. Checkmark. Use pip to install libraries. Checkmark. Start coding in web development, AI, automation, and data science. Without Python installed, crossmark. You cannot run Python programs. With Python installed, checkmark. Python is ready to use for learning, projects, and professional development. Python installation is the first step for any Python programmer.